Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse LT. It is a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner, and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors and turn signals, chrome door handles and window trim, as well as a solar ray deep tinted glass. Do you need a big SUV that can shuttle lots of people and cargo? The 2016 Chevrolet Traverse is made for you. This Traverse has 18-inch machined aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Traverse is in great condition. It has dual cavity halogen headlamps with auto on and off, along with fog lights and a really nice grille with the chrome surround and the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. The Traverse has front-wheel drive and is equipped with a 22-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that the Traverse only has 38,750 miles on it. At the back of the Traverse, you can see the antenna, the sporty lift spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and back seats fold down for more space as needed. The cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Traverse even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their very own climate controls and can utilize the fold-down armrest and a power outlet, as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice wood grain interior trim. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated premium cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Traverse is also equipped with a garage door opener, OnStar, and a locking glove box. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the programmable power door locks and lockout protection, and the power windows with driver express down. This Traverse has a very comfortable leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features. This includes the classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. You also have a large dual zone climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.